Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my next vlog. It's been a minute since I posted my last vlog. Today is, let me check, April 9th, 2023. We're off to a Brunch. I'm gonna film the car that I have right now as a rental because my car was rear-ended and is being repaired right now. I'll tune you in on everything as we go. Check out the magazine I purchased yesterday. Which one will you choose? Hello everyone, now we're in the car. This is the car that I have right now while my Elantra is being repaired because it was rear-ended when I was driving. This is VW Jetta 2021. It's a 1.4 liter engine with a turbo, so turbocharged. And I thought that it would be lighter in weight than my car, than the Elantra, because the Elantra has a 2 liter engine, but it turns out that no, it's heavier. I'll double check, I'll write it down here when I'll have my hands free. It's at least 100 kilograms heavier than the Elantra 2022 with a bigger engine. But it feels much lighter because of the turbo engine. Like it picks up, it just goes. That's why I thought it probably will be lighter. There are some features that I like that are present and are even absent in the Elantra. For example, Apple CarPlay connects without any wires. So like this phone, as you can see, is connected to the car. Apple CarPlay is on. You can see the Waze navigation app being turned on, but no wires being attached to the phone. In the Elantra 2022 Ultimate Tech package that I have, that's not the case. Like you need to connect it through the wire. But on the other side, a positive note is that all the power buttons for all the windows are one click, meaning that you don't need to hold for the window to fully go up or down. Like you click it once, that's it. It goes all the way, you can stop it at any moment, bring it back with one click, and off it goes by itself. On the Elantra, even on the Ultimate Tech package, that is the case only for the front left window or the driver's window. And all the other ones are, you need to hold it literally until it goes to the position where you want it to be. If you want it fully closed, you need to hold it all the way. But here, even the farthest window from the driver, it's the same. You press it, it fully goes up or it fully goes down, here and there. Because in the Hyundai Elantra 2022 Ultimate Tech package, the cluster panel, the tachometer, speedometer, and the screen for a computer, they're all digital. And I'm so used to that now, and it's also good quality. I would say that's next level, and it's done nicely, and I expect it here already. But in the new Jetta 2022 and 2023, they have the all digital displays now, so, and they also look good and they're nicely done. Just because this is 2021, it kind of makes sense, and it's all right for it to have still analog display for tachometer, speedometer, temperature of the engine, and amount of fuel in the fuel tank. What else is here? For the transmission, there's like the manual mode where we're in the 7th speed at the moment, that you can see once you switch it into the manual position, or you can click it down and put it into sport. Just like in all the other cars, the sport mode keeps the revs higher so that the computer doesn't need to speed up the engine if the driver needs to accelerate faster at any moment, which makes it more sportier. And in regular, it usually keeps the revs lower, so it will require longer time for the engine to speed up to a certain place, which is what is needed in regular driving. The reason why I'm comparing it to the Elantra 2022 is because now I'm curious if there's another trim lower than the Elantra that I have that would still have the leather seats. Maybe that's the trim that is better to compare this car to, because that's the thing. Like this car with this trim has leather seats, for example. I would say for entry-level vehicle like this one, it's already reasonable feature. So it's like for sure middle or higher trim than anything that doesn't have leather seats or leather interior. We have arrived downtown to have our brunch. Let me show you the car from the outside a little bit, and we're gonna go eat our breakfast. just in case. Well, we're off to eat our breakfast. I love corgis. Downtown morning, Sunday. So we have arrived downtown and we came to the place where we wanted to brunch. We just called Passage, and of course it was full. They didn't have any spots and we had to wait for an hour, I think, to get a seat. So we just bought some food, came to the park and eating right here. Even better, observing all the pretty dogs that are walking around.
What are you eating?
I'm eating, well, it's a Turkish cafe, so it's a Turkish sandwich with salmon called Poseidon. I don't know, what did you want to add about it? It's gracious sweetness and sourness combines in my mouth and together produces the most tastiest and enjoyable sandwich that I had today. But that's the only sandwich I had today, so of course it's good. It didn't have a high expectations to hit, you know. But I'm gonna continue having my breakfast. You guys have a good time of the day and I'll see you later. It's gonna be loud right now, I think, because there's an M3. No, he turned it off. Or he didn't. Yeah. But the real reason why we came here is this. These gorgeous pancakes with jam, but it's a proper jam, not the one that you can get here, which is mostly 80% sugar. It's actually proper tasted jam with where you can taste the fruits and pistachios and everything else. Yeah, my wife really likes it. We're gonna indulge in that. Passing by Genesis downtown, there's a G80. Well, we finished with our brunch. Just walking around the city now, getting some sun. I don't remember last time it was this warm. So I'm still wearing a hat and a jacket. Like, it's warm, but not as warm. Still windy a little bit. Just admiring the city, the weather, and the day. Look at this beauty. Okay, so we got to this old piece of a car. This is how before the cars were inside. No sunroof, but a very advanced key and lock to lock and unlock the cars. This door is actually open, but I don't want to open it. Oh yeah, and the mirror. Oh, no, stay closed. Yeah, of course there's no engine. But at least there's suspension and differential. Very interesting. We're on our way home. It was a very successful, nice walk. Just wanted to tune in